Hello kids. Today I'm going to explain you chapter number 10, that is Walls Tell Stories. Aims and objectives. To understand about surroundings that make us feel proud. To know about the monument Golconda and story behind it. To know about the museum situated in Hyderabad. In this chapter, you are going to study about a monument and a museum which are situated in Hyderabad. Children, do you know what is a monument? A monument is a building or structure specially built in honor of an event or a person. Monuments that play a very important role in enhancing our historical knowledge are commonly known as national heritage. Monuments like temples, mosques, forts, tombs, inscriptions on pillars are part of our country's national heritage. They throw light on the architectural, social, political, and religious life of the people who lived in the period when these buildings were built. Now, I will tell you about Golconda Fort and a museum which are in Hyderabad. Built on the top of a hill in year 200, Golconda Fort was made of mud. Qutub Shahi Sultans ruled here one after another from 1518 to 1687. It has two floors. There are 9 gates and 3 palaces at Golconda Fort. Before Qutub Shahi ruler, it was made up of mud. And do you know, children, it is a very big fort, as you can see in the picture. All around it, a big ditch is made so that nobody can enter in the Golconda fort. Let us know about bastions. The outer wall of Golconda fort has 87 bastions. Bastions are the part of wall that comes out in a round shape. Bastions were made at a great height so that soldiers could get a large viewing area. Children, do you know what are bastions? A round shaped structure on the fort that is projected out of it and used to ensure security are called bastions. They are also known as Burj. In Golconda Fort, there are 87 bastions, and these are made in the fort wall to ensure security of the fort. Look at the picture, children. You can see two lines here. These lines are showing bastions, and all the bastions are made at the top of the fort. Big holes are made in the bastions. Do you know why these holes are made in the bastions? These holes are made in bastions to increase the viewing area, and thus the soldiers peeping through it could have a better vigilance. Carvings. There are beautiful carvings on the walls of Golconda Fort. Chisel and hammer made up of iron would have been used for fine carvings. Look at the picture, children. Here you can see inner part of Golconda Fort. There are halls, bawlis, palaces, store for guns, bagh, etc. The outer wall of Golconda Fort has 8 gates or darwazas, and one gate is inside the fort. It means there are total 9 gates in Golconda Fort. They are Moti Darwaza, Fateh Darwaza, which is also known as Victory Darwaza, Makai Darwaza, Banjara Darwaza, Jamli Darwaza, Naya Kila Darwaza, Patan Cheru Darwaza, Bodli Darwaza, Bamni Darwaza. Except Naya Kila Darwaza, all other darwazas are on the outer wall of Golconda Fort. You will be surprised, children, if you stand at Fateh Darwaza, whatever you speak can be heard at the king's palace. This was used for warning the royals in case of attack. Arrangement for water. For water, 5 bowlis and 3 hawse have been made in the Golconda Fort. Pots shown in the picture were used to lift water from the well. Clay pipes were used to carry water to different places in the fort. The fort had many fountains and tanks up on the roof. There was no dampness in spite of the fountains. Think, even today, when engineers design houses, sometimes there is a dampness in the walls. And here, so long ago, there were fountains on the terrace. The building must have been made with such good understanding. Do you know? In ancient times, water wheels were used to get water from rivers and ponds. One such type of water wheel is the Noria, as you can see in the above picture. The most common examples consist of a vertical wheel which is slung with a chain of buckets. The buckets hang down into a well which may be up to 26 feet deep. These are driven by oxen. The animal turns another wheel and so causes it to turn. This causes the buckets to circulate, and in this manner, water was circulated on the roof of the fort. Look at the second picture, children. Here you can see clay pipes to carry water to different places in the fort. Aurangzeb's army. Aurangzeb's army camped outside Golconda Fort for 8 months to capture it. The army could not enter the Golconda Fort because of its thick walls, deep ditch around the fort walls, 87 bastions, and vigilant soldiers watching from the bastions. Do you know, children? Aurangzeb's whole army came with their guns and cannons to attack the Golconda fort. But they could not even enter the fort because of thick walls of fort, deep ditch around the fort walls, 87 bastions, and vigilant soldiers watching from the bastions. These were some reasons due to which, though having a big army, Aurangzeb was unable to enter the Golconda fort, and his army camped outside Golconda fort for 8 months to capture it, but were unable to capture Golconda fort. Aurangzeb's cannon is kept in Golconda fort. The gun is made up of bronze. Now look at the picture, children. It's Aurangzeb's cannon, which is kept in Golconda fort, and it is made up of bronze. Items made up of bronze. Now look at the picture, children. Here some items are given which were made up of bronze. Look at the below picture. It is a cannon, and above pictures are idols and medals. Many things were found when the place around Golconda was dug, like swords, pots, jewelry, etc. They all are kept in a museum. Children, do you know what is a museum? A building where collections of valuable and interesting objects are kept and shown to the public. Look at the map of India, children. Here, with yellow color, a state is shown which is Telangana, and the Golconda fort is in Hyderabad, which is in Telangana. Now, let's do some web charts. First is different gates on the walls of Golconda Fort. Though there are 9 gates on the Golconda Fort, we'll talk about some of them. Bamni Darwaza, Jamli Darwaza, Patancheru Darwaza, Moti Darwaza, Makai Darwaza, and Fateh Darwaza. Fateh Darwaza is also known as Victory Darwaza. Special features in Golconda Fort. Halls, there are different halls in the fort. Palaces, there are 3 palaces in the fort. Sharp iron spokes, bowlies, fountains, big halls, carved walls. Now let us know some monuments of India. India Gate, Qutub Minar, Konark Temple, Victoria Memorial. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Thank you.